Hello, and thank you for tuning in. This is Mark McKenna with Realty Executives. It is August 2023 here, and this is just a real quick update, kind of what's going on in the real estate market here, specifically the Arizona real estate, residential real estate market out here in Phoenix land area. So here's the deal. Buyers and sellers, we've got activity kind of going on. It is slowing down for two reasons. One is rates, and which are affecting the sellers by saying, "Hey, listen, why am I going to go ahead and get out of a 3.5% rate on my house and try to get into almost an 8% rate, going forward?" It doesn't seem to be, motivating a lot of sellers. Buyers are saying it's just too expensive. And we've seen it actually now for about almost 1% or so of growth this year from where we were at the beginning part of this year. Now we kind of dipped down. We went on a high last year, and then we dipped down quite a bit there in the December fourth quarter, basically end of fourth quarter of last year, and then we started going up, and we are going up. But activity is kind of slowing down, and if they raise the rates again, which looks like they probably will, that could even cause more of a stall. It's just simply because of the fact that we're going into our fourth quarter, and that usually slows down anyways with our sales cycle. But what's going to happen for next year? Are we going to go into a recession? Or, the best way to get out of recession is to start buying things, so they didn't have to lower rates. That it could be in the forecast here sometime next year. For buyers to keep that in mind. So sellers, again, be sensitive to buyers' needs. We know that it's, the rates are high. So asking for closing cost help and those type of things is what's expected out there. It's about 35% of all transactions now. Sellers are contributing towards buyers' closing costs. We expect that number to go up this coming month, and we'll get more of an update here in the next couple weeks. So that's going on, but also for buyers, you got to look at this in two parts process here. Get into the home now. You got a high interest rate. Okay, all right, well, it is what it is. But look at it in this way. When you do your taxes and everything, that's a deduction, okay? And you could use a standard deduction, but the rates are so high that you may not. So you may have to itemize it and everything and get the most out of it. So that's a really good hidden benefit with the rates kind of going up. And then when the rates do drop, and they will, okay, then you're in a refinancing mode instead of a purchasing mode. What's going to happen is we're still at low inventory, so there's going to be more and more buyers out there all of a sudden that they say, "Oh wow, low rates and inventory, I have to bid it up," and that will happen. With the rates kind of going down, more and more sellers are going to say, "You know what, I could get out in the market now." So inventory should start to kind of gradually go up. We have actually increased our inventory of about 500 homes or so on the market. We're still low, about 11,000, almost 12,000 homes on the market right now, total homes, about 9,800 single-family detached homes right now. So there's a lot of different things kind of happening there, but it just depends on how you want to position yourself. The inventory is low. Prices are continuing to go up, and we expect that because we've got a lot of people moving here in Arizona. That's just the way it is. They're building, and these buildings haven't even been built yet, and we're going to have that demand for that. So stay tuned. That's it there for folks for now. Tune in again next month here and for another update. Check out my website. If you have any specific questions or so, you can contact me. Look at my number at the bottom of the screen, and we just kind of talk about your very specific situations here in the real estate market. Have a nice day. Talk to you later. Bye.